I tried Samourai wallet app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I installed the Samourai wallet app, I expected just another Bitcoin wallet. But after using it for 7 days, I discovered the shocking truth. This app isn't built for convenience, it's built for privacy, and it takes that mission seriously. From the first launch, Samourai makes its purpose clear. It's a wallet for people who don't want their transactions tracked, analyzed, or censored. It doesn't even appear on the Play Store. In some countries you have to download it directly. That's how committed it is to user privacy. I started by creating a new Bitcoin wallet. The interface is simple, but under the hood, it's loaded with advanced privacy tools. Features like CoinJoin, Whirlpool, and Stonewall let you mix your transactions so no one can trace them back to you. During my test, I used Whirlpool, and it was fascinating to see how my Bitcoin got anonymized through multiple rounds of mixing. Most people get this wrong. They think Bitcoin is anonymous. It's not. Every transaction is traceable on the blockchain, but Samourai gives you a way to fight back against surveillance. Of course, all that privacy comes with a cost. The app's design feels technical and intimidating for beginners. There is no fiat conversion or fancy portfolio tracker. It's not meant for trading, it's meant for protection. After a week of using it, the shocking truth became clear. Samourai wallet isn't for everyone, but it's essential for anyone who truly cares about financial privacy. In a world where crypto data is constantly tracked and analyzed, this app reminds you what Bitcoin was originally meant to be: freedom through anonymity. If you value privacy over polish, Samourai wallet is one of the few tools that actually delivers on that promise.